You should know an insurance patient, it's not that just like that when you get an insurance, it's not that the insurance is going to pay you the entire amount. It is not that way. If insurance tells you like, if you have a coverage, you might often go and visit a doctor and you might tend to overutilize your medical services. You tend to exploit your services. To contain that, every insurance company would expect you to pay a fixed amount of money, a dollar, prior to this coverage process begins. So that is called as deductible. Every year, patient will have a deductible that will be fixed, that will vary from payer to payer. So that fixed amount should be exhausted. Say for example, you are going to purchase a 1 lakh of coverage, like you need to spend 10,000 of the deductible prior. That means if you are going to a hospital and you have some expenses, you will have to pay that expense up to 10,000. For example, you got admitted and you are getting discharged, the bill comes to like 9,000. You will have to pay that 9,000 all from your own pocket because you have to meet your deductible. Next time you are going to attend, then it becomes like 5,000 bill. You will have to meet the 1,000. Remaining 4,000 insurance pays you. So this is a concept of a deductible, which is an amount which the patient would have to spend from his own pocket prior to the coverage begins.